Hello, my name is Maria Victoria. Today I'm going to be presenting my second project for the Game 218 class, going element by element on the rubric. I'll be posting it here, and there's a teaser of what we're going to see today that I posted yesterday. The first thing that we're going to look for is the use of a boolean variable to lock interaction. So I have my door locked blueprint that sets the isLocked boolean. Then we're going to look for the gate node, which is right here. The lights are in door locked with light. And we can see how it works. So when I walk up to the door, it does not open for me. That is the key. So when I touch it, it destroys the actor and sets the light on to say that it is unlocked. And I can go through. Nice. Okay. So the next element that we're looking for is the particle effect. And that's right here. When we look at it, we close the key, which was the starfish, the door, the locked door, door locked with light. Now we're going to look at particle trigger. And on event begin play, we're deactivating it. And when we stop overlapping the trigger box for the particle effect, we're deactivating it. This is where we refer to the particle effect. And when we begin the overlap is when we're going to activate the particle system. So it needs to deactivate, but once I come to this box and I step in it, it is activated. And when I step out, it just takes a few seconds to fully disappear. When I step back in, it turns back on as long as I'm here. The next criteria we're looking for is physics, and that'll be our boxes right here. When I go in, all the boxes fall because their physics is activated through an array for each loop. And I come in and out, and it only happens once. So let's take a look at how that happens. Here we see the actor array that is referenced here, where I have all the small crates. And here's the for each loop. We have them all set to simulate physics off until we begin overlap, and then only once we're going to turn all of their physics on. Next, we're looking for two exposed variables that are arrays. This is one. I didn't really understand the other one, which was for loop with a break, as far as a use case, but I do have it working here with printing a string until 5 and then completed. So when we look at this trigger box, we see that on event begin play we have enable input. That was actually old and unnecessary, but on event begin overlap we have print string until it's equal to 5, and then we break the loop. And then break the loop is connected here to break. Once it's completed, it'll print completed. So if I take this off so that it doesn't have access to that branch, then it should go all the way to 10. See? Perfect. Next, we want to see the sequence node being used. That, I think, oh my goodness. Okay, it's going to be over there, I believe. The sequence node. We have it that on begin overlap, we're going to play a sound, and then we're going to activate a particle system. And on end overlap, we're going to deactivate the particle system, but the music will keep playing Let's go see what that looks like. Okay, so that is using the sequence node. The DoOnce node, we already saw how it worked with the physics boxes. And now we're going to see the animation. If I go to my cinematic and I open my first cutscene master, we're going to see my 2 shots. And you'll see the animations, the sounds, the camera cuts, and complex movements while it plays. Alright, I hope y'all enjoy this. I had a lot of fun making it. That's sort of the scene over there. Here we go. And that had the camera shake involved as well. Lovely. So that should go through everything. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.